6 good.
In their arms, hands, legs,
Just hard throw.
In addition, riders
Verify when ready. You guys been verified, locked, and checked. You are out of here. Enjoy your ride on to JDC.
Due to the restraining devices on this ride, certain riders of size and unique physical dimensions may not be permitted to ride.
Can't make this up, guys. This is my 3rd ride. Oh my gosh, front row. This is my first time front row. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is the first POV that you're gonna see. The front row. Here we go. Woo! Holy crap! Wow! Woo! Holy crap! Yo! Wow! What the heck? Oh my gosh! Woo! Yo! This front, guys! Woo! Yo! Wow! Wow! Oh no! Ah, they use that block section. Oh man, it stops the ride, guys. Dang. Oh. Oh man,
that's really
that front, but I like that ejector from the back, man.
That's a different, I like
Yeah, it's just where it's seeing it. It's like, wow, I'm on the track.
Yeah.
Wow, we just stopped. So now we're just sitting here, guys. The worst part though is that it slows down.
We're gonna get stopped here. We at least have to get feedback.
I know. I was gonna say I wish they would use like they had a little cover because.
Oh, yeah.
If it gets stuck, if it's gonna get stuck here like this, they need a cover.
Yeah.
This is kind of like what Dominator does sometimes. We're moving slow though, which is weird. It would happen when I'm filming, of course. But now y'all get to see it. It's been having a lot of downtime today though.
Yeah, we weren't stopped this long though.
Yeah. The last time, just the last ride I did this, but not this long.
Well, if we like, even if the ride just stopped here, like we went through all the best parts right away.
That's true.
The ending's like kind of sad after like
Right, because like it does slow down a lot.
Yeah, it's past it, but it's like the first ride, like where like we didn't have to get stopped on the brake run, like it's still pretty good.
Getting stuck on Jersey Devil Coaster. Now y'all get to see it.
Ending, but
at least it feels good. Yeah.
full view of Nitro.
That is true, yeah, because you don't see Nitro from this thing though.
Yeah, you never see that.
There they go. I think they're gonna have to evac us. Now we're going. Right when I had stopped recording, I was about to cut, but never mind. Oh my gosh! Wow. Oh my gosh! Little hump. Oh my gosh! Like, comment, subscribe, guys.